Unlock your dream job. Why domain training is your key of success. Are you tired of sending out job applications and hearing nothing back? Feeling lost in the sea of graduates, unsure how to stand out? The truth is, a traditional degree, while valuable, but often doesn't provide the specific skills that employers are seeking. There's a huge gap between academic knowledge and the practical, real-world expertise needed to excel in today's competitive job market. That's where domain training comes in. Domain training focuses on developing specialized skills within a specific industry or field. It's about gaining practical hands-on experience that makes you job ready from day one. Domain training equips you with precisely the skills which employers demands. Whether it's mastering specific software, understanding industry standard processes, or developing specialized technical abilities, you'll gain a competitive edge. Many domain training programs are developed in partnership with industry leaders, ensuring the curriculum is relevant and up to date. This gives your credentials instant credibility with potential employers. By focusing on practical skills, domain training accelerates your journey to employment. You'll be prepared to hit the ground running and contribute meaningfully from the start. Ready to unlock your dream job? M CAD Solutions offers a wide range of cutting-edge domain training programs designed to empower you with the skills you need to succeed. Our expert instructors, hands-on curriculum, and industry-recognized certifications will give you the confidence and competence to launch your career. Don't let your dream job remain a dream. Invest in your future with domain training from M CAD Solutions. Unlock your potential. Achieve your goals. Choose M CAD Solutions.